Put this under the legs of your bed. This simple trick will protect you from bed bugs. Sprinkle the powder along the walls and into the corners of the room. It's a natural and effective way to deal with these pests, though still not widely known. The powder not only repels them, but also effectively neutralizes them. Bed bugs are tiny, about 1/4 of an inch long, and they come out of hiding at night. They climb up the legs of the bed and bite while you sleep, leaving characteristic marks. Most often 3 in a line or a cluster shaped like a triangle. Their bites can cause itching and discomfort, and over time disrupt restful sleep. That's why it's important to act quickly before the problem gets worse. You can prevent this by blocking their access to the bed and stopping them at the very first attempt to climb. Sprinkle a little powder onto jar lids and place them under the bed legs. Bed bugs trying to cross will be stopped effectively. This powder is diatomaceous earth. Spread in a thin layer around the corners, it clings to the insects and dries out their outer shell, making them inactive. This natural solution lasts long and requires no chemicals. That way you can sleep peacefully and without worry. I've never gotten rid of ants so quickly. I scared them away simply, and they haven't returned. When ants get too close to your home, garden, or your child's sandbox, you just need to spray a homemade solution. It's 100% effective. If you have ants in the sandbox, this will also deter cats that often use the sandbox as a litter box. Start by preparing a bowl of water. Add a few teaspoons of cinnamon to it. Ants hate the smell of this spice. Then squeeze the juice of a lemon and add it to the cinnamon water. This is another scent ants dislike. The next ingredient is coffee grounds. Add a few teaspoons of them. Coffee grounds are one of the best products for repelling ants. Finally, add a few drops of mild soap or dishwashing liquid. Mix everything and let it sit for a few hours. Then strain the mixture. Pour it into a spray bottle. Now, you just need to spray the areas where you see ants. You can spray the soil around plants, benches, or the sandbox. Also, secure the entrance to the terrace. This method isn't harmful to ants or other insects, but it is effective. The ants will simply relocate to another place. Here's how to get rid of stink bugs on your tomatoes. Even experienced gardeners don't know this trick. Stink bugs are the worst enemies of ripe tomatoes. They show up just when the fruit is nearly ready to harvest, sucking out the juice and leaving deformed, discolored spots. This simple method will eliminate them fast. Ivy, a common ornamental plant, contains saponins, natural compounds that foam and irritate insects. That makes it a great natural repellent for stink bugs and other pests. You'll need about 10 ivy leaves. Cut them into smaller pieces and place them in a tall container. Pour in about 1 quart of very warm water. Let the mixture sit for 1 hour so the ivy can release its active compounds. After that, pour the liquid into a bottle. Now comes the second ingredient, vinegar. It's a natural substance with a strong smell that insects dislike. Add about 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the ivy mix. Fill a sprayer with 2 quarts of water, then add the mixture and close it up. Now, spray the tomato leaves and fruit thoroughly. Use the spray every few days during the summer season. This method acts as a natural shield for your plants. Stink bugs will disappear, and your tomatoes will stay healthy and damage-free. Już nigdy więcej nie zobaczysz much i komarów w swoim domu. Jeśli interesują Cię sposoby na komary, pokażę Ci prosty sposób. Dowiesz się, jak samemu zrobić spray na komary. Nie posiada on w sobie żadnej chemii, ale to właśnie to, czego nie lubią komary i muchy. Wystarczy nim spryskać ramy drzwi i okien. Żaden owad się do nich nie zbliży. Uszykuj naczynie. Nalej do niego szklankę wody. Dodaj łyżkę mielonego cynamonu. Cynamon posiada właściwości odstraszające te insekty. Ale działa też bardzo skutecznie na mrówki i myszki. Dobrze wymieszaj wszystko. Cynamon odstrasza nieproszone owady swoim zapachem. Przelej miksturę do butelki z dyfuzorem za pomocą lejka. Aby dyfuzor się nie zatkał, odcedź miksturę przez gazę lub filtr do kawy. Jest to jeden z najłatwiejszych i bardzo skutecznych sprayów na komary i muchy. Nienawidzą tego zapachu. Wystarczy, że spryskasz ramy drzwi wejściowych i balkonowych. Spryskaj też ramy okien. Dodatkowo możesz spryskać rośliny. Nic im się od tego nie stanie, a przeciwnie. Cynamon ma wiele zalet dla roślin. Chroni je przed chorobami, stymuluje ich wzrost i reguluje pH gleby. Jeśli spryskasz kosz na śmieci, żadne muchy nie będą latać nad resztkami z niego. Ta jedna przyprawa zapewni ci oryginalny i najlepszy spray odstraszający muchy i komary. Place this in your home, and ants will quickly disappear. Take a small lid and add a little honey, whose sweet scent strongly attracts ants. Then add some baking soda and mix everything thoroughly. Place the finished mixture where ants appear most often. After a short time, you'll notice there are fewer and fewer of them. Ants won't be back for several years, and you'll get rid of both ants and aphids with 100% effectiveness. This is my favorite natural ant spray, made from a green cucumber. It works wonders, and surprisingly, few people know how effective green cucumber can be. The bitter compound in it acts like poison for ants. Simply slice the cucumber and put it in a blender. Add a cup of vodka, then blend everything until smooth. After that, strain it through a sieve to remove the cucumber pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of shampoo or liquid soap and mix well. Now, just pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Your natural ant spray is ready. Just spray it on areas where you spot insects. This spray not only keeps ants away, but is also safe for people and pets. It's a natural repellent ants try to avoid. Plus, the vodka and shampoo help improve the application by making the mixture more effective and giving it a stronger scent. I hope this method proves as helpful for you as it has for me. This simple trick could keep mosquitoes away all summer long. All you need are a few ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Take 1 fresh orange and carefully cut off the top. Then gently score the center of the fruit to create space inside. Using a spoon, carefully scoop out part of the inside while keeping the orange's shape intact. Fill the inside with fragrant coffee, which will slowly release a rich and pleasant aroma. Next, add a few cloves to give it a warm, spicy scent. Lightly sprinkle everything with cinnamon, which blends all the aromas together perfectly and creates an incredibly cozy atmosphere. Take a cinnamon stick and carefully light it so it starts releasing its intense, smoky fragrance. Place the lit cinnamon stick inside the orange to make the aroma even stronger. Then place the top of the orange back on, recreating the whole fruit with its unusual filling. After a short while, the scent will spread throughout the room. The combination of orange, coffee, cloves, and cinnamon creates a powerful aroma that mosquitoes and many small insects simply can't stand. Because of this, the trick may help reduce bugs in your home, especially in the evenings or when the windows are open. Many people use this method during summer as a natural alternative to chemical insect repellents.